What men want from their partner in bed but won't always tell them. As a society, we often focus on women's needs and desires in the bedroom, while ignoring the fact that men also have their own set of wants and needs. But the reality is that men have their own preferences and fantasies that they may not feel comfortable sharing with their partner. In this video, we will explore some of these desires and how women can better understand and fulfill them, leading to a stronger and more intimate relationship. So, whether you are a man looking to better communicate your desires or a woman looking to better understand your partner, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn some valuable insights into the male psyche when it comes to intimacy and desire. To feel wanted. It is a fundamental desire for men to feel desired and wanted by their partners during intimate moments in the bedroom. This longing for emotional connection and validation is an essential aspect of their overall satisfaction in the physical act of intimacy. Men inherently crave the feeling of being desired and sought after by their partners, which is reflected in their sexual behavior and desires. They seek emotional validation and a sense of belonging, which can be attained through the act of intimacy. The act of feeling wanted and desired not only enhances the physical pleasure, but also contributes to a deeper emotional connection with their partner. Furthermore, the desire to feel wanted and desired in the bedroom is not solely driven by physical needs, but also stems from the need for emotional intimacy. It is vital for men to feel a sense of emotional connection and validation from their partners, which can significantly impact their overall happiness and well-being. Be enthusiastic. Being enthusiastic and passionate during intimate moments can greatly benefit a relationship. While techniques and skills can certainly enhance the physical aspect of intimacy, men place great value on their partner's enthusiasm and passion above all else. It is important for men to feel that their partner is genuinely enjoying being intimate with them and that the emotional connection is mutual. When a partner is fully engaged and enthusiastic, it can boost a man's confidence, satisfaction, and sense of connectedness to his partner. Men want their partners to be fully present in the moment and engaged in the experience. It is not just about going through the motions. It is about being emotionally and physically invested in the moment. This level of emotional and physical involvement can make the intimacy more meaningful and enjoyable for both partners. Being fully present during intimate moments can also enhance communication between partners, leading to a better understanding of each other's needs and desires. To feel safe. At the core of sexual intimacy for men lies the need for safety. For many men, sex is a way to express their emotions and connect with their partner, which involves being vulnerable. Touch, in particular, is a fundamental love language for men, and sex provides a deep and intimate way for them to express their emotions. However, in order to fully connect with men on both physical and emotional levels, they must feel safe. It is important to recognize that men's desires for safety during sex is not limited to physical safety, but also encompasses emotional and psychological safety, where men can ask for what they want without fearing shame or rejections from you. This means that partners should not use sex as means of control or manipulation and should always prioritize respect and consent. When men feel safe and respected, they are more likely to open up emotionally and connect more deeply with their partner. This ultimately leads to a more satisfying and fulfilling sexual experience for both partners. Don't be afraid to laugh. Laughter and humor can play a significant role in enhancing sexual experiences between you and him. It is understandable that sex can be a source of anxiety or nervousness, particularly when trying new things or with a new partner. However, by incorporating laughter into the experience, you can ease the tension and create a more comfortable and relaxed environment. Laughing and making jokes during sex can help to create a more lighter-hearted atmosphere, which can help to release endorphins, leading to reduced stress levels and increased intimacy. Additionally, laughter can help to strengthen the bond between you both, creating a deeper emotional connection and enhancing overall satisfaction. They want guidance. One of the key factors that men desires in bed is guidance. Men often find it challenging to understand their partner's sexual desires, which can make it difficult to please them. As a result, it's essential to use gestures, invitations, and words to guide your partner towards what you want. This communication can help to break down barriers and allow you to explore each other's desires in a safe and enjoyable way. When it comes to sexual intimacy, women often have a better understanding of their bodies and what they enjoy. However, men can sometimes feel hesitant or unsure of what to do in the bedroom. Providing guidance can give them a sense of empowerment, boosting their confidence and allowing them to take the lead. By showing your partner where and how you want to be touched, you can create a more fulfilling and pleasurable experience for both of you. There are many ways to provide guidance in the bedroom. Non-verbal cues like moaning or moving your body in a particular way can indicate that you're enjoying what your partner is doing. Verbal communication, on the other hand, can be more direct and specific. You can use words to guide your partner's actions, letting them know what feels good and what doesn't. They want freedom. While women are often portrayed as more emotional and romantic in bed, it is equally important to understand men's needs and desires. One key aspect that men desire is a sense of freedom and playfulness in bed. They want to feel like they can let loose and have fun with their partner without any pressure or expectations. This can be challenging for some women who may feel like they need to perform and meet certain standards in the bedroom. To help your partner feel more relaxed and connected, it is important to communicate openly about your desires and expectations. Let him know you want to have fun and explore with him, and that you're not focused on achieving any specific outcome. This will help him feel more at ease and encourage him to be more adventurous and spontaneous in bed. It is also important to remember that sexual satisfaction is a two-way street. By creating an environment that allows for playfulness and exploration, you'll also be able to enjoy the experience more fully. So, take the pressure off yourself and your partner, and focus on having fun and enjoying each other's company. With the right attitude and approach, you can create a deeply satisfying and fulfilling sexual relationship with your partner. To feel connected. For men, feeling emotionally connected to their partner is just as important as physical pleasure in the bedroom. When a man feels that his actions and effort are pleasing his partner, it can make him feel confident, desired, and deeply connected to you. Therefore, it is essential to create a sense of emotional intimacy and closeness during intimate moments. To achieve this, it is important to communicate effectively with your partner, encouraging and acknowledging him verbally and non-verbally through positive body language can make him feel valuable and appreciated. It's crucial to be present in the moment and show genuine interest in the experience, as this creates a feeling of being fully involved and desired. Building a deeper emotional connection can enhance sexual intimacy and increase overall satisfaction in the relationship. Emotional intimacy can be nurtured outside the bedroom through open and honest communication, shared experiences, and a willingness to be vulnerable with each other. By prioritizing emotional connection and intimacy during intimate moments, couples can create a more fulfilling and satisfying sexual relationship that strengthens their overall bond. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, take a moment to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting content like this. Your support means everything to me and helps me create more amazing videos for you. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.